Alright, you can leave my house now.
Alright, I'm gonna make some bread.
How much, wait 1 minute. Apply.
Are you trying to make an ME system?
Well, I'm looking at what, inscriber bits there is, like how much there is, and how much you actually need.
Like the presses?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We need 3 of those. We need the logic press, silicon press, and engineering press.
I've got the logic press, the calculation press, and the engineering press.
Alright, give me those.
Give you them!
Yeah.
Just... Wait, can you use them multiple times?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Oh.
Oh yeah, I'm at the taint.
You're at the 10, yeah.
Yeah, that's actually kind of close. But I found something pretty cool.
What?
But it's kind of not cool because it's tainted now.
Okay, dinner bone was corrupted by paint. Taint, not paint.
He was corrupted by paint. Why not?
Because I'm a tank, okay? Can you hit me with a cocaine sword so I can get back to my base fast?
Hit your mom with a cocaine sword.
Aye! I am very sorry. Hit me with a cocaine sword. This is one of my proudest things on the server. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is... Go. You were trying to kill me there, weren't you? I've seen you hit like 100 times.
Really?
Remember how you done it to me? Oh. I see you. I see you there. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve... Please get my stuff. No, please don't. I can't be bothered walking on. I'll be back. Right, here's your next drug that you would... There you go.
You think I'm stupid, right?
No! Did it work?
You just hit me with that?
Yes!
Gotcha.
Do you know
knew
how
what
long
it
it takes
was.
me to load the AT launcher?
I'm so sorry.
It takes me
Don't
like
kill
an hour
me.
and a half. You stole my other berries?
Who?
You.
No, I didn't.
I had blackberries, and now they're not here.
I didn't touch berries. What?
I'm gonna kill you.
I didn't touch your berries.
I'm
What?
coming for you.
I didn't touch any berries. What?
That's what you think you... What? Never mind. I'm still gonna kill you because you took my berries.
I didn't touch any berries.
You touched them all. You touched every berry. Ever. Well, I'm gonna eat your berries.
Eat my berries then.
No.
Right, what I need to do. No, please stop.
Wait, how'd you just regen 11 health?
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
You try to kill me.
Tell me how you did it. Damage indicators just told me.
Damage indicator is not always true. You can kill me.
Do it again, Regen, or I kill you.
It does it randomly for me. I've got this weird flipping wizard spell hang on me. Leave me alone. There's a delay. I can't do it
No,
when I
how'd
want
you do
to.
it? I got you down to half health and you regen 11 health.
You're gonna kill me? I'm on like 3 hearts.
Tell me.
I just did!
How'd you do it? Alright, I'm gonna kill you.
What? Why?
Tell me how you regened.
I just did!
No, you didn't.
I just did!
Tell me.
Kidding, I just did.
No, you didn't.
I just did. It's like this spell thing from what? Please don't kill me.
From what?
From a magic mod, believe it or not.
What is the magic mod?
Blood magic.
No, you didn't do enough blood magic. You didn't
I
have
have
any
a-
sigils in your hand.
It's not. You don't need to activate. Some sigils are activated like went through like damage.
What was it?
Because when I put blood,
I know you just said that you did a spell, so I know that you did something.
yeah, when you put blood in the blood magic altar, and then you get the
You know
Wait,
you're lying
wait.
when you don't even know what to say.
I'm not lying though.
Then why are you laughing?
Because you're gonna kill me.
Yeah, I am.
For
Don't
the
tell me
what?
what you did. What is it?
What is what?
The thing.
What? No!
How'd you do it?
I just told,
How'd you do it?
I just told you. Oh.
I will vein miner this whole house.
No! I'll be rid of your lives! Oh no!
How'd you do it?
I just told you!
Then tell me again.
I told you, once you get this certain thing in blood magic, it activates and it tells you how much life points you've got.
Well,
and when
what
your
is-
life's
What is the thing in blood magic?
the division sigil.
No, it's not the division sigil.
It is.
You don't have a division sigil anyway.
Wait.
Then show me it.
I put it in my chest. No, please, I'm sorry. No, don't kill me, please.
One more hit.
Wait, Reese is messaging me. Reese is messaging me. Don't kill me, please.
Okay, maybe I won't.
What sword's that? What ones?
Do you want to find out?
No.
Tell me.
I have like 3 times.
No, tell me
What?
the truth. I know that a division sigil doesn't heal you.
It does.
And that you don't have a division sigil.
I do.
And that division sigils don't even do blood magic.
Yes, I do.
No, they don't.
They do.
Don't run.
Okay, I'm just going upstairs.
What is it?
What is what?
What's the thing?
This.
No, it's not that, because I just saw you make that.
No.
Then
I
use
didn't
it right
just
now.
Use it?
Yeah.
What do you mean use it?
Use it to heal yourself if that's what it does.
Alright, punch me one time. Wait, I need it in my hand. Wait. Go.
Are you sure that's what you did?
Yeah. Wait, I just showed you it working. Whoa.
Well, you didn't have anything in your hand last time.
I scrolled through it, right clicked and then went.
I will hit you.
Please don't. Unless it's a cocaine sword. It's a cocaine sword, I'm off! Screw you! I'm at your base now, back! Feed me there!